Hey there, thanks for joining me today for a review of the incredible K50 4G+64G 10.26 4G Android 13 AI screen GPS navigation CarPlay Android Auto dual lens dashcam rear view mirror video recorder. If you're in the market for a high-tech, all-in-one solution for your car, then look no further. This device is loaded with features and capabilities that will take your driving experience to the next level. Let's talk about the Android 13.0 system paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of ROM. This means that you'll have ample storage and processing power to run all of your favorite apps, including Google Store, Maps, and online video/music playback software. And with the ability to use SIM card 4G network and Wi-Fi network, you'll always stay connected no matter where your journey takes you. But that's just the beginning. The K50 also supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to easily and safely make calls, listen to music, send and receive messages, use navigation, and even support Siri, all wirelessly. With the ability to connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, you'll have seamless access to all of your favorite features. And let's not forget about the dual lens video recording capability. With the K50, you can record video at the same time and save it on a TF card. You can view it on the DVR, connect with the mobile app to view, or even view it on your computer. This kind of flexibility and convenience is simply unmatched. But the features don't stop there. The K50 is also equipped with ADAS-assisted driving, including lane departure warning system and 24-hour parking monitoring. With these capabilities, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your safety and security are always a top priority. And for those who are concerned about the sound quality, fear not. The K50 features high-fidelity audio output with multiple options, including wireless Bluetooth, FM output, or wired auxiliary audio output. So, no matter how you prefer to listen to your music, the K50 has you covered. In addition, with the OTA remote update feature, you'll receive timely updates and fixes to improve your product usage experience, all without the hassle of having to return the product for updates. So, if you want to take your driving experience to the next level, the K50 4G+64G 10.26 4G Android 13 AI screen GPS navigation CarPlay Android Auto dual lens dashcam rear view mirror video recorder is the perfect choice for you. Pick one up today by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.